You prepare the perfect listing. The buyer sounds excited on the phone. You block your calendar and then crickets. Another no-show. Hours wasted, momentum lost. No-shows aren't just inconvenient, they kill your productivity. Manual reminders are hit or miss. One generic text often gets ignored in busy inboxes. Follow-up calls steal your evenings. Without a consistent system, no-show rates easily climb to 40 to 50%. Archiz AI fixes this on autopilot. Once connected to your calendar and CRM in minutes, it triggers smart, multi-touch reminder sequences for every booked viewing. 48 hours out, personalized email recap with property highlights. 24 hours, friendly SMS with photo and details. 1 hour before, final nudge with map link and one-tap confirm or reschedule. If no response, it intelligently escalates or flags high-risk appointments. Buyers feel valued, attendance skyrockets. Reliable calendar. More closings agents using Archiz cut no-shows by up to 50%. Your calendar becomes reliable, your time becomes productive, and more showings turn into offers. No more empty properties, just full schedules and growing commissions. Stop letting no-shows steal your deals and your time. Visit archizsolutions.com right now and request your free personalized demo. Watch Archiz turn unreliable bookings into guaranteed attendance starting today.